So I think things kind of came to a head for me during the week that I was reading Middlemarch with Philip Fisher, and I was reading Esther Kreitman with Ruth Weiss. And Kreitman is magnificent, and the fact that she is Isaac Bashevis Singer and Yisrael Yehoshua Singer's sister. And she wrote a couple of novels, lightly veiled autobiographical novels. And we were reading one called Der Shedim Tanz, the Devil's Dance. It's translated as something else in English, but I don't remember how it was translated in English. And she's wonderful, but come on, she's no George Eliot. And so this was, week after week, there was this kind of painful comparison that that sort of was forcing itself upon me. It felt like I wasn't choosing it, but of course I was choosing to make the comparison. And the kind of mysterious alchemy of my graduate education was that at some point I chose to stop making that comparison, and I let Yiddish claim me and bowl me over and enter, and I stopped resisting it and saying, is Yiddish good enough? Is this literature good enough for me? And I started asking, am I good enough to be one of the stewards of this literature?